Today we're gonna be reviewing a magnetic phone cooler. Here's what comes in the box. You get a manual, shows you how to use it. USB to USB Type-C cable. You get 2 clamps. You get, this is the battery pack. It has 5,000 milliamp battery pack that you use on the go. You press this button and this will turn on the, turn it off, the little fan, the cooling device that is here. We'll show you how cool it looks. This is how it looks, and cool, it's very cool looking. So what you do is, there's 2 little connectors there. There's 2 little prongs here. You connect in there, and now these powers the cooling device. This little plate here gets cold once you turn it on. It has a very quiet fans. You see it turn on, have really cool colors, and it has a low, and then here there's 2 buttons here. I can feel the little plate getting cold. It has 7 different type or velocities or coldness. So that's on 7. You can hear it's working harder, and this is getting cooler faster. And you know, if you are a sport parent that you were using your phone to stream the games or record your kid playing, you know your phone shuts down when it says it's too hot. Well, you put this on, you don't have to put it all the way on to 7, but you can put it on 1 or 2, 3, and it will keep your phone cool. Look, looks really cool. All you have to do is have these battery charged before the game or before the event that you want to do. If you live stream or anything like that outside or inside that your phone might get hot, just have these on full charge so you can use it. If you're not gonna use it outside, you're gonna use it inside, and you can plug it in. You can use the USB-C, put it here and plug it to the power, and then that will power the fan by itself, and then you can turn it on with those 2 little buttons, on and off, and then 1 to 7 speed. So if you are a parent or a content creator or somebody that does lives on TikTok, or I don't know, you film videos on your phone, and you need your experience that your phone is saying that it's overheated, this is your answer right here. Even you don't have to, sometimes you just leave your phone outside on the, like, let's say you're on the beach and you have it out, and then you come back from the water, it's hot. You just plug this back in there, and then it will get it cold like this. And if your phone doesn't have MagSafe, then they give you a little sticker that you can stick on your phone, so you can stick this to your phone. Okay, bye. So for the price, it's a steal. It works great. Definitely recommend it. So I hope this video helped, and thank you.